Ghosting, the abrupt cessation of communication without explanation, has become a common and often painful experience in modern relationships. This phenomenon isn't limited to romantic connections. It can occur in friendships, professional settings, and even family dynamics, leaving the ghosted individual confused and hurt. One primary reason people ghost is to avoid uncomfortable confrontations or difficult conversations, preferring to disappear rather than address issues directly. This avoidance often stems from a lack of communication skills or a fear of hurting the other person's feelings, even though ghosting itself can be deeply wounding. Another significant factor is the ease of disengagement offered by digital communication, where a simple block or unfriend can instantly sever ties without face-to-face interaction. The perceived anonymity of online interactions can reduce empathy, making it easier for individuals to disregard the emotional impact of their actions. Sometimes ghosting occurs when a person feels overwhelmed or pressured by a relationship, especially if it's moving too quickly or becoming too intense for them. They might not know how to articulate their need for space or a slower pace, leading them to simply withdraw from the situation entirely. A lack of perceived commitment or investment in the relationship can also contribute to ghosting, particularly in casual dating scenarios. If one person doesn't see a future with the other, they might not feel obligated to provide a formal breakup or explanation, opting for the path of least resistance. In some cases, ghosting can be a self-protective mechanism used by individuals who have experienced past trauma or negative relationship patterns. They might fear vulnerability or rejection, and ghosting becomes a way to regain control or prevent potential hurt by ending things on their own terms. Finally, a lack of empathy or consideration for others' feelings can be a driving force where the ghoster simply doesn't prioritize the emotional well-being of the ghosted. Understanding these complex motivations behind ghosting can help us navigate modern relationships with greater awareness and compassion, even when faced with such challenging experiences.